Hello everyone, Jason Warren for DT Met, and today we'll be discussing the system out west that's been producing all the rain and snow across portions of California and Nevada, and another system that'll be moving into the west early next week. We'll also be discussing the severe weather event that we're expecting to take place during the day on Sunday across portions of the Plain States, extending into the Mississippi Valley. Right now we're still seeing bands of heavy rain and snow primarily affecting central and southern California, with some flooding reported in the Los Angeles area stretching down towards San Diego and Tijuana. There have been some very heavy snowfall reports in the mountains just east of San Diego, stretching up to the mountains north and west of Los Angeles, as well as in the Sierra Nevada mountains, generally south of Lake Tahoe, stretching down toward Mammoth Lakes area and continuing down into portions of the southern Sierras. The system over California will spread eastward into the Four Corners area during the next 24 to 48 hours, with another system dropping into the Pacific Northwest and Northern California as we head into late Sunday night and early Monday. This system will bring another round of heavy snow to the mountains and heavy rain along the coastal areas. As the system over the southwest emerges out over the Plain States late Sunday into Sunday night, damaging thunderstorms are expected to develop from Kansas down and through Oklahoma and into portions of northwestern Texas. Hail and isolated tornadoes will be possible with this activity, but the greatest concern is a corridor of destructive winds that could develop across portions of western and central Oklahoma, northeastward into portions of southwestern Missouri and far southeastern Kansas. These areas could see widespread winds in excess of 75 miles per hour. On the Day 2 severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, this is for Sunday into Sunday night, there is an enhanced risk for severe storms across southern Kansas, much of Oklahoma, northwestern Texas, and over into portions of far southwestern Missouri. There is a moderate risk in effect for portions of western and central Oklahoma. At this time, the greatest confidence for destructive winds is across the western portions of this area, across western and central Oklahoma, but these destructive winds could extend well into Missouri depending on how the system evolves during the day tomorrow. Again, just to summarize, there is a major severe weather outbreak possible on Sunday across portions of the Plain States, possibly extending into the Mississippi Valley, and there's already a moderate risk of severe storms across portions of Oklahoma for Sunday. Widespread destructive winds in excess of 75 miles per hour are possible across portions of Oklahoma, and these winds could extend further to the north and east, depending on how the system evolves during the day on Sunday. Hail and isolated tornadoes are also possible across portions of Kansas, Oklahoma, northwestern Texas, and extending east into portions of Missouri and Arkansas. Be sure to have a plan of action ready to go in case severe weather threatens your area, and be sure to stay tuned for additional updates.